Established in 2003, Shanghai FINICE Commodity Company Limited focuses on the R&D and production of new generation green, low-carbon, healthy household daily cleaning products. The company's innovative products cover multiple usage scenarios, including clothing cleaning series, kitchen and bathroom cleaning series, personal care and multifunctional cleaning series, such as laundry detergent sheets, color catcher sheets, fragrance beads, fabric softener dryer sheets, dishwashing sheets, hand washing sheets, glass cleaning sheets, etc. In 2012, color catcher sheets, laundry detergent sheets, and fabric softener dryer sheets successfully obtained a number of certifications including IFS, HPC, BSCI, SMETA, Dun & Bradstreet, Rose, etc. Adhering to the principle of quality is the life of an enterprise, FINICE controls strictly the product quality and serves global brand owners of daily chemical products with excellent technology. Over 2 billion laundry detergent sheets have been provided to customers around the world since 2018 and have won high praise. FINICE expanded its dust-free production workshop area to 35,000 square meters in 2015 and introduced plenty of automated production lines. The huge production capacity helps the company to build cooperation with 70% of global partners. Seeking to bring the most perfect experience in after-sales to customers, the U.S. branch was founded in 2016. FINICE will keep providing consumers with safe, highly concentrated, easily biodegradable, and plastic-free green cleaning products.